Welcome to buy.wesco.com. This video will give you a basic understanding of the site functionality, including item search, checkout, quick order, lists, quotes, and account overview. To log into the site, enter your work email address and your password. If you forgot your password or lost the initial email containing the password setup link, you can click the Forgot Password link. Type in your work email address, and a link to reset your password will be sent to you. If you do not log in, you will not see your specific catalog, pricing, or inventory. So to get the full personalized experience, make sure to log in. Once logged in, you'll see your name and account number in the top right corner of the screen. Don't forget, if you need assistance with your account, you can always access your sales rep's contact information in the upper right-hand corner. On the home page, you'll see banners which provide specific messages about features and products. Under the banners is your dashboard. This will show your most recent orders, recently viewed shopping lists, and if enabled, the most recent quotes. Moving down the home page, you can browse by category or view featured items and suppliers. In the search bar, you can use manufacturer part numbers, Wesco part numbers, or if you have internal part numbers, we can associate those as well. And like other search bars, you can use keywords. After typing 3 characters, the Type Ahead function can help you narrow down your search. If the term you use is broad, you will be brought to category images for further narrowing. Product information is laid out with the manufacturer name, product title, description, and image found as the header of each result. All part numbers are in the left column of the product table. Important product specifications are called out in the table for easy scanning from product to product. Price and availability are found on the right. If you see pricing on request instead of a price, that just means you don't have contract pricing set for that item. Click on the tooltip to contact your sales rep for pricing. You will see the inventory under availability if that item is stocked at your branch, your distribution center, or nationally, depending on how your account is configured. You can narrow down your results by availability, manufacturer, and other specifications. To reveal more specs about a product, click on the Product Detail button. This will open a quick view of the product without leaving the results page. Quick View will show price and stock availability again, product specs, and give you the ability to add to cart, add to list, or add to a quote if available. You can also select the item to be included in the Product Compare feature of the site. By checking the Compare box, the item will show in the tray at the bottom of the screen. You can add up to 4 products to compare features and specs. Click on the Compare button to go to the Compare page to view or print. On the Compare page, you can see all the specifications side by side. You can also add the items to the cart, to a list, or to a quote if enabled from the Compare page. Click the back link to go back to your product Quick View. To close Quick View, click anywhere outside the Quick View. To view a full list of product specs, datasheets, and videos, click the title of the product in the search results, the title of the product in Quick View, or view product details at the bottom of Quick View. On the product page, you will again see on the right-hand side your contract pricing and inventory. Below the image, you can quickly view specs, description, and downloads. You may also see suggested products as well. Depending on what is available for the item you're viewing, you can see repair parts, accessories, other related parts, upgrades, and alternatives. From the Search Results Quick View or the product page, you can add an item to a list or to a quote if enabled, or you can add it to your cart for purchase. Once an item is added to the cart, you can continue shopping, or you can click on the cart icon in the upper right-hand corner to check out. In the shopping cart, you can update quantities, change the date you would like in individual items, and add any notes about specific items. After any necessary updates have been made to the cart, you continue with checkout by clicking Proceed to Checkout. In the checkout, you select your payment method, either PO or credit card. Your company may have customized your options to only see one or the other. Credit cards require a billing address. You can save your payment methods in the account section for future purchases as well. If you're using the PO payment method, we use the billing address on file for your account, so you will not be asked to enter your billing address. Fill in any additional checkout fields your company may have customized. Then select your shipping method. Next, you will fill out your shipping address. Your company may have preloaded shipping addresses for you, which will show in the drop-down, or you can enter one in the fields provided. Your company may have preloaded shipping addresses for you, which will show in the drop-down, or you can enter one in the fields provided. Then click Continue. You will be brought to the order review page. Once you verify your order is correct, click Place Order. This will bring you to the order confirmation page. You will also receive an order confirmation email. A second way you can order on the site is through Quick Order. This is extremely useful if you have internal part numbers associated on the site, but you can also use Wesco part numbers. Manufacturer part numbers also work, but you need to select the item from the Type Ahead dropdown. If the item being ordered has a minimum or multiple order quantity, it will auto-populate in the quantity field. Once all the quick order items have been entered, you can add them to your cart for immediate ordering. If you have a list in a spreadsheet or text file, you can copy and paste it in this box and add to your cart as well. The number of the items will increase in the cart once the items have been added, and a green message will show at the top of the page. Another feature to make ordering easy on the site are lists. A list is a lot like your favorites on other sites. This feature is great if you purchase the same items on a regular basis. Items can be added from the search results page or a product page by clicking Add to List. This will bring up a window to add the item to an existing list or to a new one. When the list is complete, it can be accessed at any time in the Account Overview section or through the List link under the main navigation. Lists can also be uploaded via a simple CSV file containing the Wesco 11-digit SIM number and a quantity. Items can be added quickly through the Quick Order pad and completed electronic orders. Instead of searching for products each time you visit buy.wesco.com, you can go directly to your saved list. For lists you create, you can copy to a new list, export the list to Excel, or delete the list. However, if a list was created for you by your sales rep, you will only be able to copy the list. Once your list is created, you can change the quantities of the items prior to purchasing, and then you can select an item or all the items from your list. From your list, you can add to another list, add to a quote if enabled, or add to the cart. Quoting through the Buy site is simple. You can add a specific product to a quote either through the Product Quick View in search results or on a product page. Or you can click the Request a New Quote button at the top of the Quotes page. You will be required to name the quote, which is already done if you started from the search results or a product page. You'll also be asked to include a phone number. You have the option to add a quote description, a required date, emails to send copies of the quote request, and your zip code. There's also a checkbox that will make the quote available to all users of your account, so they can order off the final quote. Once the top section is filled out, you add the items to be quoted in the section below. The required fields are SKU part number and quantity. A SIM may already be in the SKU or part number field if you added an item from Quick View or a product page. Even though the field says SKU or part number, it's actually a free-form text field, so you can enter anything like a manufacturer number or even a product type for the sales rep to quote. Add the quantity and a description if you like, then click Submit Request. You will receive a quote confirmation. Your sales rep will be alerted of the submitted quote and will send the quote back to the website once it's complete. At that time, you will receive another email letting you know you can log in, review the quote, and place an order off that quote if you like. The Account section gives you access to your specific user and company information. You can access account information through the Account Overview section under the dropdown by your account number. Here, you can access your profile information, password settings, address book to save shipping information, save payment options, and links to lists and quotes if enabled. The Order section allows you to view your electronic order history. If you would like to see all your orders, including those made through email, phone, and fax, request to enable All Order History from your sales rep. All Order History also provides more shipping status information. To select an order, click on the order number. This brings you to the Order Details page, which includes order status and tracking information if available. If the tracking number has a link, it will take you to the shipper's external site for more information on your package. You can reorder your items here as well. After watching this video, you should be able to find items on the site, order those items either through product pages or through the quick order pad, and you should have a basic understanding of how to use lists, quotes, and the account section. If you have a question specific to your account, please reach out to your sales rep. If you have a technical question, you can contact our e-commerce help desk, whose information always shows at the bottom of the screen. Thank you.